Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute chakra balancing meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, we invite you to bring awareness to your inner being and realign your chakras for balance and peace. To begin, take a deep inhale through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Find the natural rhythm of your breath and breathe here naturally. Imagine that you are sitting in a dark room in the middle of the floor. You shift your focus to your root chakra as your pelvic area begins to light up and glow a fluorescent red. On your inhale, manifest stability and security in your life. And on your exhale through your mouth, embody the sensation of feeling grounded and connected to self. Breathe here naturally. You then shift your focus to your sacral chakra as the area below your belly button begins to light up and glow a fluorescent orange. On your inhale, manifest pleasure and joy into your life. And on your exhale through your mouth, symbolize creativity and execute your purpose in this lifetime. Breathe here naturally. You now shift your focus to your solar plexus chakra as the area above your belly button begins to light up and glow a fluorescent yellow. On your inhale, manifest confidence and consciousness. And on your exhale through your mouth, enforce self-motivation and courageous practices in all that you do. Breathe here naturally. Migrate your focus to your heart chakra as your chest begins to light up and glow a fluorescent green. On your inhale, manifest love and compassion, and on your exhale through your mouth, implement empathy and foster positive and valuable relationships. Breathe here naturally. Maneuver your focus to your throat chakra as your neck area begins to light up and glow a fluorescent blue. On your inhale, manifest truthful communication and self-expression. On your exhale through your mouth, administer authenticity and inner power. Breathe here naturally. Now focus on your third eye chakra as your forehead area begins to light up and glow a fluorescent indigo. On your inhale, manifest self-awareness and power and intuition. And on your exhale through your mouth, achieve inner vision and better clarity on your life. Breathe here naturally. Lastly, focus on your crown chakra as the area at the top of your head begins to light up and glow a fluorescent purple. On your inhale, manifest divinity and wisdom. And on your exhale through your mouth, exhibit gratitude and self-acceptance. Breathe here naturally. Place one hand over your heart and your other hand over your stomach and regulate your natural rhythm of breathing, allowing your body to resonate in the present moment as your chakras realign and you become the greatest version of yourself. All right, beautiful beings, As we close out this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am realigning my chakras at any time that I feel imbalanced. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you're prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a deep breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this chakra balancing meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.